Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Shopify store. A fast-loading Shopify store improves user experience, boosts Google rankings, and increases sales. If your store is slow, visitors leave, ads cost more, and conversions drop. Always prioritize speed before focusing on growth or marketing. We can start by checking your store speed inside Shopify. Let's go to the online store, click on themes, click on edit theme, or you can also check on the live website, navigate through all the pages, check the product page, and etc. This report shows how fast your site loads and highlights areas for improvement. It helps you focus on the changes that might make the biggest impact. Large images are a common reason for slow stores. What you need to do is compress product images to reduce the file size while keeping quality high. This ensures faster loading without hurting the visuals. Too many apps can slow down your Shopify store. Let's go back to the dashboard. Go through your installed apps and remove anything that you don't actively use anymore. Let's go to settings as well. You can go to the app section on the settings. There we go. Keep only the apps that are essential for your store. Another thing is, your theme affects the speed a lot. Avoid outdated or overly customized theme that add unnecessary codes. Choose lightweight, fast-loading themes designed for Shopify. Extra scripts like pop-ups, tracking codes, and widgets can slow your store. Only keep what's necessary. Enable lazy loading so images and content only load as users scroll down the page. Most customers shop on mobile devices, so make sure your store is mobile friendly. Test the responsiveness and loading speed on the phone or tablet. You should also use a reliable custom domain with proper DNS settings. A good domain setup ensures your store loads quickly and reliably for visitors. Lastly, after making changes, test your store again or test your store's speed on a regular basis. Every update, new app, or design can change affect loading time, so stay on top of it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.